Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be evaluating the limit as x approaches infinity of the natural log of x squared over 3x. So in order to evaluate this, let me first try to use direct substitution. When I try to use direct substitution, I get the indeterminate form infinity over infinity. I don't know what this is. This could be 2, 3, we don't know. So I can't leave my answer like this. But when I have an indeterminate form, I know that I gotta use L'Hopital's rule in order to evaluate for the limit, or evaluate the limit. So let me use L'Hopital's rule and find the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. For the derivative of the top, I'm going to use a chain rule and make this 2 times the natural log of x times 1 over x all over 3, because that's just the derivative of 3x. So the top part can be rewritten as the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 ln x over x over 3. So it's a lot of like division going on here, but we can actually still rewrite this as the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 times the natural log of x over x times 1 by 3, which is just going to make it 3x. So now that we have this, let's try to use direct substitution once again. And when we try to use direct substitution, we still get the indeterminate form infinity by infinity. This is still not acceptable. So this indicates to us that we got to use L'Hopital's rule once again. So I'm going to erase these things here, and now I will start up here. So going up, we have L'Hopital's rule once again. So if I have this equals and then LH on the top, this is indicating that I'm using L'Hopital's rule. The limit as x approaches infinity for the derivative of 2 ln x, which is just 2 by x. And when I say ln, that's the natural log. This is over 3. This can be rewritten, and the reason why I'm not doing LH here, or adding that LH here, is because I'm not using L'Hopital's rule. I'm just rewriting it. It's this and the rewritten version will be equal, but I'm not using L'Hopital's rule. These are also the same thing. I'm not using L'Hopital's rule. So this would be the limit as x approaches infinity of 2 by 3x. So now, do we got to use L'Hopital's rule again, or are we good? When I look at this, I think we're good, because when I plug it in, when I use direct substitution, we get 2 over 3 times infinity if we use direct substitution. This just becomes 2 by infinity. And this is essentially telling us that the denominator is getting infinitely large, which makes the whole thing approach 0. And that is your answer. So I hope this made sense. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this kind of gives you a insight on using L'Hopital's rule. I hope this clarifies any doubts that you might have on using L'Hopital's rule. And I hope you found this video helpful.